Workshop day. Putting this boy back on the road. Apart from anything else, it just needs a hell of a clean. If it's grubby, salty, dirty, the badly leaking fork seal, brake binding, and this button. So I've got the front mudguard off, and you can see on the seal there it's covered in oil on the fork. There. Very good. Might actually fix it. So I'm not entirely sure if there's no oil in the fork or if I have stopped the leak. So I think take the fork out, just top it up with oil and see what happens. Okay, there is definitely oil in that fork, but I'm going to top it up anyway. Fork seal is reasonably fixed. Just cut back on, cleaned up, some fresh oil in. That's it. This will go back on the bike. I'm going to clean it all up and give the calipers a good clean as well. What torque do we do the pinch bolts to? Not a clue. I'll do.